In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste images in Foxit PDF Editor. So if you're looking to easily transfer images from one part of a PDF to another, or into a different document altogether, you're in the right place. We'll break this down step by step to make sure the process is not only straightforward, but also efficient. Let's dive in. First, you need to open the PDF that contains the image you want to copy. Go ahead and launch Foxit PDF Editor and open your desired PDF file. Once it's open, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the screen and navigate to the Edit tab. Here, you will find various tools designed to modify your document's content. For our purpose, click on the Edit Object tool. This tool is your key to directly interacting with the various objects embedded within your PDF, including images. With the Edit Object tool activated, click on the image you wish to copy. The selected image will now be highlighted, indicating that it's primed for your next action, which is copying. Now, hover over the highlighted image and right-click to bring up the context menu. In this menu, simply select Copy. This action may seem minor, but it effectively places the selected image onto your clipboard, ready to be transferred to a new location. Next, it's time to open the PDF where you want to paste the image. This could be a separate document or a different page within the same PDF. Once you have the intended destination open, navigate to the exact spot where the image should go. Positioning is everything here, so make sure you've considered where it best suits the layout of your document. When you're satisfied with the location, it's time to move on to pasting the image. To paste the image, right-click on the destination page to reveal the context menu once again. If you prefer shortcuts, you can skip the menu by simply pressing Ctrl+V on your keyboard. Both methods work perfectly, inserting the image from your clipboard directly onto the chosen page. If you need to adjust the image's position once it's pasted, feel free to click and drag it to your desired spot. And there you have it. You've successfully copied and pasted an image within Foxit PDF Editor. Remember, this simple skill is incredibly useful for anyone needing to manage graphics across documents. Whether you're organizing a presentation or compiling data, mastering this process will surely streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.